Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kerry here from Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Alright, so guys, the reason we promote the $25 business is because it's 80% recurring income for its affiliate program, which is the absolute highest on seen or heard. So it's a real good product to promote, guys, if you're an affiliate marketer right now. So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. It looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. But we're going to refresh the page to make sure. Reason why I refresh the page, I want to show you guys that these are real results. To make sure you guys understand that. And this money is money that's going to my account, because it's very easy to make these numbers look like whatever I want. Alright guys, so anyway, we're going to refresh the page. Alright, looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and not a big deal at all. Not a big deal at all. So the first and foremost thing, guys, that you want to do is get your links, right? You want to get the links that you can use so you can promote the product first. And this is the link that I use personally. All-in-one business sales flow. This is the one I use. You can use either one. It's fine. It's all fine. They all work. I've gotten a sale with this one by mistake. I sent this one by mistake and got a sale on it. So, you know, when or whatever you want to do and get sales. So that's totally fine. Sometimes I forget. Sometimes I forget to send the right email. It just happens, right? So this is the one you want to use, okay? And once you how to get to it, right? There's a description in my and there's a link in my description. I'm so sorry, guys. Brain farts right now. There's a link in my description that says incomespeaks.com. All right, you're gonna click on that. You're gonna click on that. It's gonna take you to this page here. This is basically a sales letter for the $25 business. And basically it tells you everything about it. Essentially, it's a funnel builder. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer, you know what a funnel builder is. You know everything about it. But essentially, it's a website you can build to get people to buy stuff. And this funnel builder in particular has no real limitations on it for $25 a month, which is, if you built funnel builders before, you know that's a fantastic deal. And the affiliate link for it is fantastic as well. So anyway, guys, make sure to do that. And they also give to charity if you're interested in that. Also, this explain this right here: 120 monthly commissions, guys. You can get $120 a month from each customer. Make sure to understand that. And yeah, we're gonna do that. So yes, I want in. Once you decide you want to try it out, you just click on it. It's gonna take you to this page here where you put in all your information. You put in all simple information. Now, the reason I took you to this page in particular, because if you use my link in particular, all right, you'll get this saying here, and this right here is HBA Premium. All right, guys, and what HBA Premium is, it shows you how to set up ads and stuff, so you understand different ads and ads you can use. The product, so you can use those ads, and that's fantastic as well. Now, guys, you can get this for free for 2 weeks. You also get AI technology to teach you how to do it as well, and teach you, help you make content for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it may be, right? And you want to post, have emails, whatever it may be. Post articles, help you with articles, whatever you want to do, right? It just teaches you how to do that. Now, it needs to be constantly updated based on how rules change and stuff like that, and how they find a better method. They might change some of the videos up and say, hey, this works better. So it's a constant monetary stream, so you get paid monthly, right? And another cool thing about it is that if you get a sale while having this free test drive, you keep that $100. That's the fantastic part about it. And I just want to make sure I clarify that, so you can go and get started on making a lot of money if you set it up right. All right, but what we're gonna do now is just simply the easiest way to make money online. All right, so you want to go to my second link in my description. That's going to take you to this page here, which is my lead gen secrets. And now what my lead gen secrets is that you get 100 leads per day that you can mail once per day. Now these leads are interested in making money, but they are very, very cold leads. Remember that, guys. They're cold leads, so you have to build them up. All right, so first you select this and you select mail in assistant. As you can see, I got a ton of leads, but don't let that bother you really, because that don't really matter that much. Sales is the only thing that matters, so your leads don't really matter that much. If they're not buying anything, who cares, right? So this is my worst account. I'm using my worst account. I have 10 accounts in my lead gen secrets. I'm using my worst account, and the reason I'm doing that is to ensure that you guys can make money doing this. More than likely, you're gonna have a much better account than mine. In this account anyway. To put it in Roman terms, layman terms, this account still makes me money, even though it's the worst one I have. And my best accounts can make me up to $4,000 to $5,000 a month. So you're probably gonna get somewhere in between that. So anyway, guys, or you can make a bunch of accounts as well if you want to. So we're just gonna load up our next email that we made with ChatGPT. Since we made so many with ChatGPT, kind of want to just rewind and redo, rewind them, kind of send them through like that, and yeah, just sit on that for a minute. And this is the email here that ChatGPT written. I want to show you guys exactly, well, I'm show you how I got it, right? It's in here. I just put in this information for the email here. You can copy that if you wish. I just told it exactly what to write. I told it to write an email similar to this, right? And then it gave me that email or something similar to that email right here. So yeah, that's what I did. And you can copy this email as well if you guys want to. I just pause it right here. Just copy all of that. Boom, 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 like that, right? Then you just post it in there like I did, right? You get perfect timing. That's gonna send the email around the time that they check your emails. Okay, guys, want to hit perfect timing. So for example, what that means is that if your lead like to check their emails around 8:00 a.m., it's gonna send the email around 8:00 a.m. So it's a really good chance of them checking it out. They also want to preview. What you want to do with preview, you want to make sure the link works. And the link does work, because if the link doesn't work, you can't make money out for it, even if somebody wants to buy it. You know what I mean? So that's a real bit waste. So you just send the email, and that's all there is to it, guys. Send the email, and that's all there is to it. So boom, you're done. That's all it takes. Just copy this, and I use ChatGPT to make all of these emails. Remember that. So it's very simple to do, and you can just copy that information. And that's all there is to it, guys. One more thing I want to mention is that consistency is key, guys. If you want to make money online, you got to just keep posting. Keep posting. Whatever you're doing, keep posting, guys. You keep doing these emails, you keep posting. Don't let it discourage you. You may not get sales in the first week or two, but you'll get there. One day, something gonna go viral that you post. And when that thing go viral, you're gonna make a ton of money. All right, you're gonna make a ton of money. You're gonna make a ton of money like that. And next thing you know, making money is gonna become easy, and you're gonna wonder why you even work in the first place. All right, so that's all it takes, guys. Just gotta stay consistent. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.